Introduction. When an economic downturn or a recession occurs, many are quick to assume to either sell all the investments they can or simply hold all investments until the economic downturn dies out. That's where many are wrong. The golden rule in investing is to make money. You have to spend money to make money. And this remains true regardless of the economic situation of the country or the world at large. Regardless of where you're at in your financial journey, it's important to continue investing and not take your foot off the gas pedal. In this video, we'll plunge into why investing is so crucial during an economic downturn and how it'll help you in the long run. Investing during an economic downturn can be both good and bad, but it can also be just good or just bad, depending on how you decide to map your investments. For example, an investment in a luxury clothing company during a recession will reap little to no profit and may result in a loss if things go south. This is because luxury goods like clothing, accessories, and cars are the least of concerns for many people during a recession. This is considered a bad investment when you fail to see what thrives during a recession. On the contrary, a good investment is investing in a company or a sector that thrives during a recession. For example, how to best invest during an economic downturn. With all that being said, an economic downturn affects the whole population, including you. This means that buying every stock you see that you think will reap benefits is not a viable move, since you're also under the stress of the economic downturn and probably don't have huge amounts of capital to spend. There are 3 time-honored strategies for investing that work especially well during economic